Guys, welcome back on our YouTube channel. It's the era of tech. Today we are going to learn how we can simulate the direct line starting of three-phase induction motor. First, you know there are some different simulation softwares. So now we are going to use the fluid sim. Here I have the demo. First you come here and click on the software, and then after opening the software, you come here and do what you may come here to the file and you open the new file. And also you may come here, instead of coming here, you may come on this paper, white paper. It's all the same. After doing this, you come here. If you are going to work the electrical circuit, you are going to draw the to simulate the electrical circuit. You come here to the electrical components. So here we have the solenoid, the DC motor, are included in the actuators, and also we have the power supply. As you see, we have the measuring instrument and the sensors. We have the switches. We have the manual switch, general switches, proximity switches. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. Let's come back here. Here you have the you come here and drag the supply 24 volt. Here we have the 24 volt. There is no problem. There's no problem. The simulation have to be done well. Don't worry. You may guess why don't we use it the 220? No. Here you don't see the 220. No problem. You have to use this one. Let me drag this coil of the contactor. Don't matter if you see here written in the relay. No problem. This will act as the contactor. No problem. And also we need what? Here we don't see the circuit breaker, but let me we have to escape that step of the circuit breaker. No problem. Let me drag the stop push button, start the push button, yeah, we'll add the others later, but now let's connect this. There's a component we have dragged. Anyway, to select this one, it is a mistake, because this symbol of this push button means if you switch, the switch remains on there, the contact remain on the last position. But as we already know, the push buttons we use in the control circuit of controlling the motor are that push buttons which come to the initial position. So it means I have to replace this one. Mhm. Let me connect. Yeah. Here we can start, but the problem is that if you you press if you press and still holding on the push button, the motor can run. But if you release your hand, the motor can be off. So what to do is just to add the self-holding contact of this contactor, and also have to identify this contactor. It's just to do what, to double click on the on this coil of contactor and write the name of the contactor. Let me call it KM1. So we have seen that if we start and holding on your finger on the push button, the motor can start and continue. But if you release your hand, the motor can be off. What to do is just to do what? Is just to add the self-holding contact. Self-holding contact. And after adding this contact, there is nothing which can tell us that this contact is for this coil. It is for this contactor. So guess what to do is just what? Is just to identify the contact. Is just to write KM1 also. So far we can simulate. I think there is nothing else to add. And I've told you that here in the component we don't have the circuit breaker, so that we didn't use the circuit breaker. So now let me simulate. You see, we release your hand, but after releasing our hand, the motor can continue to run. Can continue running. So dear friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel. The next video should be better than this one, and expect more things which are crucial, which how can I say, keep on with me.